Is that an Audi, a Porsche, Alfa Romeo? No. No. This is the 2024 Dodge Hornet. That's right, 6-speed automatic drive, 4-door, 4-cylinder, of course. Let's take a nice look at that emblem. Very stylish, small SUV, if you may. Now this is brand new, and yes, it definitely is the hybrid model. So that means that it's electric. Let's go take a look at the interior. Now, this is definitely different than your regular electric vehicles. This vehicle here actually provides 53 kilometers. And that's without putting any gas. That's just straight charge. We have our sports mode right here. We have our volume key set right there. Our park, just to make room. We've got a nice little display here. Can give you information about your vehicle. Beautiful backup camera. Park assist. We could turn the screen off. Of course, if we'd like, oh, there's that volume key. Of course, if we'd like, we can definitely switch our performance modes, as you can see on the top here. So many different features. And once again, this is actually not your volume key. Your volume key is living down here. Great interior. You've got leather interior. Just gonna zoom out. The back is nice and spacious because we are in a 4-door, 4-cylinder. Let's take a wow. Giving you a bit of that race style drive. You've got paddles. That's for sports mode. And then of course, we've got our driving E mode. You can choose. Great vehicle. We've still got a couple models at St-Laurent Jeep Ram. So please, don't be shy. Come in today and see one of our beautiful Dodge Hornets.